Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you how to use your parking brake. So while you're parked, you can push this in, and when it's lowered all the way, your parking brake is not active. And then to activate it, you push this in again and left, and then release, and you should have it set now. And if you're having issues with it locking in place, you might need to pull it extra higher and then release. Same thing if you're having issues with disengaging this and it won't go down, or this button stuck. You might need to pull it up a little higher than normal to get it to release fully, and then it should let you release. But yeah, like I said, the issues with this button, typically it's just not quite locked fully in place one way or the other. But I hope this was helpful. And then you typically see an indication on here as well if it's activated and you start driving. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.